Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete a credit card from Amazon. Now, I said credit card, but the step for debit card or any other card which is linked with your Amazon, if you want to delete them, then it's pretty simple. You just follow the same step which I'm going to be showing you, alright? But before moving forward in this video, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to go to amazon.com, which is the official website of Amazon, and log in into your account. You guys can do that. After you log in into your account, what you want to do is, where it says account and list, click on it or hover your mouse on top of it. Once you hover your mouse on top of it, it's going to show you all these options. From these options, make sure you choose account and click on account. Once you click on account, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here where it says your payments, click on it, and all of the credit card, debit card or any other card which is linked on your Amazon is going to be shown over here. And if you want to remove any one of those, what you can do is click on the card you want to remove. So I want to remove this Visa card, and once I click on it, you can see the edit button. Click on edit. Once I click on edit over here, you can see where it says remove from wallet. Now if I click on remove from wallet, and after I click on it, it's gonna ask me, are you sure you want to remove this? And after I confirm, then basically my card will be removed. So I don't want to remove my card right now, so I'm not going to do that. But for you, just click on edit and then just click on remove from wallet and it will be done. So yeah, that's how you guys can remove your credit card from Amazon. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, peace out.